Good afternoon, all of you. I am Assistant Professor Kuti Akshada from S&T Engineering and Research Center, Evla. Welcome to online lecture series. Subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is biodegradable polymers. What is biodegradable polymer? Biodegradable polymers degrade within the body as a result of natural biological processes. They are broken down into biologically acceptable molecules that are metabolized and removed from the body by normal metabolic pathways. Characteristics of polymers in biodegradable delivery system. First, inert, permeability, biodegradability and biocompatibility. Mechanism of biodegradable polymers: biodegradation, enzymatic degradation, hydrolysis, bulk erosion and surface erosion. Polymer degradation. The degradation is primarily the process of chain cleavage leading to a reduction in a molecular weight. On the other hand, erosion is the sum of all processes leading to a loss of mass from a polymer matrix. Degradation schemes. The degradation of a polymer can be through either bulk erosion or surface erosion. Generally, hydrophobic polymers are degraded by these mechanisms: enzymatic degradation and hydrolysis. The enzymes act upon the polymer chains from ends to convert the polymer into small fragments, which then enter into the body of microorganisms. Bacteria derive energy from such fragments, survive, and finally the fragments are converted to gases. Bulk erosion. In this process, hydrolysis occurs throughout the bulk of the polymer. The matrix can disintegrate before drug depletion, and a large burst in rate of drug delivery can take place. Next, surface erosion. In a surface erosion process, hydrolysis of the polymer is confined to the outer surface and the interior of the matrix remains essentially unchanged. Next, type first, erosion. It is evident with water soluble polymers cross-link to form a three-dimensional network. Erosion can occur by cleavage of cross-links or cleavage of the water-soluble polymer backbone. Type 2 erosion. It occurs with polymers that were earlier water insoluble but converted to water soluble, forms by hydrolysis, ionization or protonation of a pendant group. Type 3 erosion. High molecular weight water insoluble micromolecules are converted to small water soluble molecules by a hydrolytic cleavage of labile bonds in the polymer backbone. Factors influence the degradation behavior: chemical structure and chemical composition, molecular weight, presence of low compounds, monomer, oligomers, solvents, plasticides, etc. Presence of ionic groups, presence of chain defects, configurational structure, morphology, processing methods and conditions, method of sterilization, storage history, site of implantation, physicochemical factors, mechanism of hydrolysis, etc. Synthetic polymers. Aliphatic polymers, polyphosphogenes, polyphosphoesters, polyanhydrides, polyorthoesters and polyacids and amino acids. In aliphatic polyesters, polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid, polycarbolactone, polyparadioxanone, polyhydroxybutyrate and polybutamalic acid. In polyphosphogenes, hydrophilic, hydrophobic, insoluble surface active, insoluble biodegradable, imidazole derivatives, glycerol derivatives, glucosol derivatives in polyacids and pseudopolyacids. Poly L-glutamic acid, poly L-lysine, hydroxypyroline derived polyesters, thiophene derived polycarbonates. Lactic glycolic polymers, polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid and polycarbolactone. First polymers used in medicine dated back to 1954. Most commercialized class of polymers, adrimycin. Biocompatible and bioresourceable synthesis and copolymerization can be easily done. Ranges from the weeks to years. Applications: sutures, ligatures, etc. Degradation is mainly by the enzymatic, hydrolytic and microbial. Enzymatic मध्ये esterase, pronase and bromelain. Hydrolysis, microbial degradation, fungi and yeasts. Polyphosphoesters, highly adjustable properties, good biocompatibility, high degradability and high molecular weight gives good strength. Drug releases get degraded with 6 months is the 2 to 4 months time. Degradation products, phosphates and alcohol. Application: paclitaxel, cisplatin, plasmide, DNA. Sterilization and stability, highly susceptible to hydrolysis in open air, should be stored in a desiccator. Sterilization only by gamma radiations. Thank you.